Hey, this is Postcard Dan here in Austin, Texas, and this is my look at a stay at the Homewood Suites, Austin Airport South. There are two Homewood Suites here around the Austin airport. This is the further of the two. In fact, you'll pass the nearer one as you come to this one, but it's really only, I don't know, less than 10 minutes away. And there's a freeway to get here. Let me show you around. There's the front desk. Here's the common area. They serve breakfast in here in the morning. Let's go take a look at the room. So the hotel's not very busy tonight, and he pretty much gave me a choice of a room on any of the 5 floors. So I chose a room on level 1. Don't have to wait for the elevator that way. I'm in room 106. Let's have a look around before I start messing it up. Oh, there's a kitchen. Nice. Texas State Capitol artwork. So in the kitchen here, looks like we have a fridge and a microwave. A bit of spotting on it. And a sink and a little cooktop. Eventually we'll find the light for that. Oh, maybe it's on here. Aha. So we have a cooktop and a sink. Here on the kitchen counter, there's individual, well, I won't call it a Keurig because it's obviously a Cuisinart, but you know, that style of single cup coffee maker. They included a couple bottles of water as well as coffee service. Up here in the cupboard, there's a saucepan and paper towels. And looks like service for 4 plates, 4 bowls, and 4 saucers, 4 large drinking cups, 4 small ones, and 4 coffee cups. About perfect. Up here oh, there's a toaster up here. How about that? And nothing above the refrigerator. Freezer is empty, but it is making ice. That's good. I won't have to go on a quest looking for ice on some other floor. And the refrigerator, a very large refrigerator. Holy cow. You could definitely stay in this hotel for weeks at a time with these accommodations. And a dishwasher, television, and of course this is Homewood Suites, so we have a second room. Here's the couch and a sitting chair and an ottoman and a table. In here is the bedroom. Another television and a ceiling fan. You don't see those in hotels very often. I like that. Over here on the side of the TV, there's a full-size mirror, taller than me, and I'm more than 6 feet tall. As far as these nightstands on the side of the bed go, there's an outlet right there that's available. And they also have these little things. Looks like there are 2 outlets, as well as a couple of USB connections. I see a USB to the right. I think that's a USB-C to the left. Not sure what that middle one is, so if you recognize that symbol, that might be something you're interested in. It might be something you're interested as well. Plus, a place that you can lay the phone. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Over here in the closet, there's a luggage stand. A little dark in there. And an iron and extra bedding. Lots of hangers. And an ironing board. I am not seeing a room safe in here. Maybe that's yet to come. And then here's the bathroom. There we go. Let there be light. So there's a sink and a counter, a toilet, and a shower with a curtain. There's the shower amenities right there. The pumps on the wall. And here's a nice innovation here in the bathroom. More and more hotels seem to be doing this. And that is putting a nightlight in the room. Maybe someday I won't have to carry a nightlight with me anymore when I travel. Well, this is really nice if you need to get up in the middle of the night. You can find your way into the bathroom without having to have your eyes blinded by a bright light. And of course, a hotel room is always unfamiliar because you're not sure where everything is. So I like this trend, and I want to call it out. Makeup remover wipes here. So I'm sure there are more things to be discovered about this room, but there's a quick overview of it. Room 106, Homewood Suites, Austin Airport. Here is the guest laundry. Looks like pretty reasonable prices to do your wash. $1.50 for the washers, $1 for the dryers. Although it does look like you'll need quarters. There doesn't seem to be any credit card chargers here. They also don't seem to sell soap. So you'll need to take care of that at a grocery store or something like that. But they do have washers and dryers, 2 of each. And a folding table too. That's different than a folding table. Fitness center is pretty basic. Looks like only 1 treadmill, 1 elliptical, 1 bike, and then some weights and some medicine balls. Not a whole lot in here. It's not open 24 hours a day, but it is open all the way until midnight. Here's the pool out there. There is no hot tub, just a swimming pool. So here's the pool. There's a lot of, we'll just call it stuff. Look like little branches or leaves from whatever the trees are. Those trees up there. It's actually warmer than it may appear in this video. It's probably over 80 degrees today. No one's using the pool. It's a nice pool area though. I don't know when they're gonna have somebody come out and clean it, and maybe all of these leaves or whatever they are just fell into the pool today. I'm not sure. And over here, at the back side of the pool area, there's a barbecue, 2 barbecues, actually. So if you're staying here longer term, it's a chance to pick up some meats at the grocery store and then bring them here and cook them. Save a little money and avoid, you know, eating restaurant food all the time. And lots of comfortable little places to duck into if you want to get some fresh air out here. A little corner back here. Here's the breakfast area. They serve breakfast for 3 hours each day, 6:30 to 9:30, and a half an hour later on both ends during the weekend. They have tortillas, scrambled eggs, potatoes, sausage, and chicken carnitas. Welcome to Texas, with jalapenos and salsa and Tabasco. Definitely welcome to Texas. There's a toaster. Of course, there is a toaster in the room as well. Here are donuts and bread and rolls, muffins, yogurt, both Chobani and Yoplait, strawberries, I like that, oatmeal. Over here there's some fresh fruit, 4 different types of cereal. Lucky Charms, don't usually see that one. Milk, juices, orange juice, apple juice, and water. And then they have coffee, decaf, and hot water. Pretty much seems to be the entire breakfast selection. Pretty standard fare. Here's the comfortable seating area. The hotel's not very well occupied today. It's early March in 2026. And it's 8:30 in the morning. There are lots of empty seats here.
New patients without insurance getting exam and x-rays for just $29. Not waiting for too long.
Over here at the corner of the breakfast area, there's a printer. Not sure exactly how you would print to it, but I guess that you would scan the QR code and get the instructions from there. And I'm sure the front desk could help as well if you have any questions about it. So that's my look at the Homewood Suites, Austin Airport South. There goes a Waymo. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, won't you please click on the thumbs up so that YouTube will share it with more people who might be interested in this content as well. And if you're enjoying the content on Postcard Dan, I'd be honored to have you among my subscribers. Thank you for watching.